In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Spaces and Google Tasks to your Gmail account effortlessly. Google Spaces can help you collaborate more effectively, while Google Tasks ensures you stay organized. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to your Gmail inbox by visiting mail.google.com. Once you're there, take a moment to glance around and familiarize yourself with the current layout. You'll notice various features, but today we're focusing on adding Google Spaces. Now direct your attention to the upper right corner of the Gmail interface. You'll see a settings icon which looks like a small gear. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu that provides quick access to some of the key settings, but we're interested in diving deeper today. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select See All Settings. This will redirect you to a new page that contains all the custom settings for your Gmail account. On this page, you will find several tabs at the top. Our focus today will be on the Chat and Meet tab. Click on the Chat and Meet tab to reveal additional options. Within the chat settings, you will find an option labeled Google Chat. Selecting this will enable Google Chat, which is essential for accessing spaces within Gmail. If it's already selected, you're good to go. After clicking, make sure to save your changes. You'll find the Save Changes button either at the bottom or the top of the page. Now that the settings part is done, head back to your inbox. On the left sidebar, look for the chat icon. Clicking it will bring up existing chats or allow you to start something new. To start a new chat, there should be a new chat option. Click on that. After selecting new chat, a menu will pop up and you should see an option called Create a Space. Spaces are essentially group chats where conversations and files can be organized effectively around specific topics or projects. Click on Create a Space and you'll be prompted to give your new space a name. Spend a moment to think of a name that clearly describes the purpose or topic of this space. After naming your space, all that's left is to click Create. Voila! You've now added a Google Space to your Gmail account. You can start inviting team members or colleagues to join the space and start collaborating right away. Remember, organizing your communications with spaces can greatly enhance productivity and streamline project collaborations. That's all for adding Google Spaces to Gmail. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tech tips.